Michelle. Welcome to the classroom of Michele Corley Clinical Skincare. Today we're going to be performing the Calm, Nourish, and Repair treatment protocol. This protocol is ideal for someone with sensitive, sensitized, barrier compromised skin, rosacea. It is very calming, very nourishing, and very soothing. And we have done a thorough skin analysis here on Jessie, and we have looked through our fantastic 6-page intake form so that we know what we're working with. We have our intake form available to you. We're happy to email it to you. You can just contact us at the office. So the Calm, Nourish, and Repair treatment protocol starts out with our gentle cleansing milk and our Calm, Nourish, and Repair facial oil. So our gentle cleansing milk and our Calm, Nourish, and Repair facial oil combination are fantastic during the facials for all skin types, all skin conditions. Because we want to hydrate the skin, we want to get the skin nourished, we want to get the blood and the lymph going. So while this combination isn't going to be appropriate for everyone for home care, it's a wonderful, wonderful way to start in the treatment room. All right, so we've got our gentle cleansing milk, and we've just added several pumps of the Calm, Nourish, and Repair facial oil, which is one of my favorite products. The Calm, Nourish, and Repair facial oil, it's all cold processed or minimally processed oils, so they maintain their vital nutrients. So we are adding this mixture to Jessie's skin. And a good way to judge how dehydrated someone is how quick their skin absorbs the products that you're putting on. Okay? We did our skin analysis, and we noticed that Jessie's just a wee bit dehydrated, not too terribly bad. Most people are dehydrated. If you live in a climate that's less than 70% humidity, and we do in our little area here, the skin loses moisture to the air. So we do and recommend in all of our treatment protocols a good 10 to 15 minute cleanse. Now, the reason we do this, we want the skin to have time to absorb all the wonderful, wonderful botanicals that we're providing it through our products. We also want to get the blood and the lymph going in the skin. Let's remember, the blood is the feeder and healer, and the lymph takes out the garbage. So by doing a nice 10 to 15 minute cleanse, we're able to accomplish that. You can do this cleanse with light steam if you wish. If you're dealing with a sensitive skin, you definitely want to make sure you have the steam at least 3 feet away, so that what the client is getting is the moisture, not the heat. Okay? I think that's really important for someone that has a sensitive, sensitized, reactive skin. Now, when you're doing this protocol, what you will notice during the cleanse, after several minutes, and you can use as much of the cleansing milk and as much of the Calm, Nourish, and Repair facial oil as necessary, the skin will actually begin to calm. It will become significantly less red. And that's exactly what we want when we're dealing with someone with a sensitive, sensitized, reactive type skin. Now, that sounds kind of counterintuitive. And until I started working with my mentor, who's been practicing for well over 30 years, that didn't really make sense to me. But the combination of the gentle cleansing milk with the Calm, Nourish, and Repair facial oil will do just that. So I really encourage you to try it. It has not failed me to date, and I want you to experience the same wonderful, wonderful results. Your clients will love you for it. So we're going to do this for about 10-15 minutes. Okay, so we have removed the cleanser from Jessie, And now it is time for us to do the Ultimate Performance Exfoliating Powder we're going to mix with the Gentle Cleansing Milk. Now, the Ultimate Performance Exfoliating Powder is papain, bromelain, colloidal oats, kaolin. So it is going to exfoliate, it is going to calm, and it is going to help remineralize the skin. So we're going to apply this mixture. Now, we mixed the Ultimate Performance Exfoliating Powder with the Gentle Cleansing Milk. You can also mix it with the Jelloid Mask. You can mix it with the Herbal Tonic. You can mix it with the Plump Me Up Hydrating Mist. And if you're in a real pinch, you can mix it with distilled water. But I always like to have the additives because I find that the skin gets more benefit with the additives. Okay, and we are going to apply this, and you have to keep it wet. The papain and bromelain, if they're not wet, they're not going to be active. So you can keep it wet with steam. And you can use this product anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, depending on what you are looking to accomplish. This combination, the Ultimate Performance Exfoliating Powder and the Gentle Cleansing Milk, it's absolutely fabulous for all skin types and all skin conditions. Everyone will benefit from it. It's fantastic for a nice exfoliation without causing sensitivity to the skin. So it's perfect for the Calm, Nourish, and Repair treatment. So we are going to leave that on for 10 minutes with steam. Okay, so we have removed the Ultimate Performance Exfoliating Powder mixture, and we did a few extractions, and now we're going to finish post-extraction with the Herbal Tonic. The Herbal Tonic is fantastic post-extraction. It's also really nice to blend in with various masks and enzymes. It's antibacterial, it's antimicrobial, and it's anti-inflammatory. So for our purposes here at this facial, during this facial, we used it post-extraction. Okay, the next step we're going to do is we are going to do a mixture of the vitamin C powder with Rejuvenate and Lift and the Jelloid Mask. Before we apply that to the skin, we're going to press into the skin some of the Calm, Nourish, and Repair facial oil. The Calm, Nourish, and Repair facial oil, cold pressed or minimally processed oils, so they maintain their vital nutrients. And what this Calm, Nourish, and Repair facial oil does, it actually helps calm the skin, nourish the skin, and it's fantastic for lipid dry skin. For this facial, it also acts as a bit of a buffer so that we can apply the vitamin C powder, Rejuvenate and Lift Jelloid combination to a sensitive, sensitized, reactive, very compromised skin without fear that it will sting or burn. So we've applied a layer of the Calm, Nourish, and Repair to Miss Jessie's skin, and now we're going to go ahead and apply the mixture. Now I like to put this mixture on in an upward and outward direction. Okay. And what we're going to do, because this isn't our finishing mask, at this point we're just feeding the skin. So we are going to massage it into the skin with our hands. And again, the vitamin C powder and the Rejuvenate and Lift along with the Jelloid, what are you getting there? Well, you're getting a fantastic dose of L-ascorbic acid for the skin. You're getting albumin, you're getting B vitamins, L-ascorbic acid, I've already said that, sorry. You are getting MSM, ascorbyl DMAE, alpha lipoic, and some wonderful humectants. And what that's going to do is it's going to help nourish and feed the skin and hydrate the skin. Okay, so we've massaged that into the skin, and now we are going to apply our Calm and Hydrate Cream Mask. The Calm and Hydrate Cream Mask is loaded with lipid-rich ingredients. It has a lot of lipid-rich butters and oils. And it can even be slept in. So this is fantastic for someone that has sensitive, sensitized, barrier compromised, barrier impaired skin. Okay, so we're starting our application here on the face. And again, this is our Calm and Hydrate Cream Mask. So very lipid rich, has some lovely zinc in it, so it's very calming, very soothing to the skin. And you guys, a little bit of this goes a long, long way. This is also a good retail mask because you can sleep in it. So it's very nice for that purpose as well. So we apply this mask and you leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And what I like to do after it's been sitting for 10 to 15 minutes is simply massage any excess into the skin or remove any excess with your warm towel. So we're gonna let Jessie sit and marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. We have removed our finishing mask from Jessie's skin. Now her skin drank most of that product and so we just removed a teeny tiny bit of excess. Now we're gonna finish with a wee bit of the Age Define Eye Cream, which is a lovely eye cream for a sensitive, sensitized skin. Okay, it's got some wonderful botanicals in it, and it helps with fine lines, wrinkles, sagging, and it has little rice bran oil, so it helps with dark circles to some extent. We are going to use, again, the Calm, Nourish, and Repair Facial Oil, just to help her barrier compromised skin recover. And we're just going to press that gently into the skin. We are again going to use Calming Moisture Cream, which is one of our moisture care products for sensitive, reactive skin. And we're going to finish off with our Hint of Tint SPF. The Hint of Tint is one of our color correcting SPFs. It's a full SPF 3, 100% natural. You do have to shake it very well before you use it. Sometimes you might have to smush the tube a little bit. The screen in the Hint of Tint is zinc oxide, and it's actually 25% zinc oxide. And this color corrector, and we have several shades. We have Hint of Tint, which is for porcelain skin, like Miss Jessie here. We have a light, and we have medium, and we have dark. And then we have the original SPF as well. Okay, but 100% natural, fantastic for sensitive, reactive skin, and safe enough even for little itty bitty babies. So we have got Miss Jessie all squared away, and now we're gonna go work on her home care. Thank you so much for joining us.